Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Potter Airlines travel credits. Here's a step-by-step detailed guide on how to use travel credits with Potter Airlines. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to flypotter.com. Make sure you're using the latest version of the website to ensure compatibility with your travel credits. The next thing, once you're logged in on the home page, look at the flight search bar, which we have in here. Now select whether you want to book a round trip or a one-way flight by clicking on the appropriate tab. Then in the from field, enter the departure city or airport. In the to field, enter your destination city or airport. And in the date field, enter your departure date by clicking on the calendar icon and choosing the desired date. Then if it is a round trip, go ahead and select your return date. And once you're done with all of that, go ahead and click on this that's in the passengers field. You have to specify the number of travelers. So select the number of adults, children, infants traveling with you. And once you're done, just go ahead and click on done. So we have not selected this yet. That's what I'm just really going to do here. So, and select done. If you have promotional code, go ahead and add the promotional code and click on find flights. Okay. It's loading up. So now you have a couple of options like the flight summary, which we have in here. So you have your departing flight here, and you have to choose your connecting flights. So connecting flight, departing flight, connecting flight. Let us choose our connecting flight for departing flight. So I'm going to choose this overnight, and I'm going to choose this option, and I'm going to select ultimate and click on select. And then that's my departure flight. So I'm going to select for my return flight as well. So that's going to be this. I'm just going to choose the first connecting flight and scroll down to select. So now that I have selected this, the next thing to do is to click on book flights. So select book your flights, and that's going to take you to the next window. Passengers. So in here, you're going to have to check this, confirm that the personal information for the passenger is correct. And once you have done that, the next thing, so if you need travel number and redress number, you need special assistance to pets and cabin, go ahead and fix that in. The next thing is to choose the primary purpose of your flight, either business or leisure, and click on continue. And that's going to take you to the next window. Now continue. That takes you to the add-on page. And we're going to select any add-on, including seats. So select the seat if you want to select the seat. And if you don't want to select the seat, just go ahead and click on continue to baggage. To add bags, if you want to add bags, so let's say personal item, carry-on bag, check bag. So add check bags. If you want to add check bags, 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's say I do not have check bag. The next thing to do is to click on continue. Okay, continue without bags. And add bags, so just continue. Now you have this very important page, which is the review and the pay. So here you have your review. So check the other review. the purchase summary, itinerary, flight options, and the total. This is the total of what you're ordering, and click on this checkbox that says I agree to the fare rules and conditions of carriage. Now select continue to payment. Now over here it says here where you have if you have a voucher, credit, or gift card to redeem, add it to your booking now or proceed to select a payment method. So if you have a travel voucher, which is the so just click on that. Now you have reservation credit, and you have voucher, and you have gift card, you have gift certificate. Because this tutorial is teaching you how to use the travel credit, right, for Flightpotter. Go ahead and click on reservation credit. Now once you click on that checkbox, enter your confirmation number for the reservation credit, that's your travel credit, and the last name on the reservation. Now once you click the confirmation number and the last name on reservation, the next thing to do is to click on retrieve credit. And once you click on retrieve credit, that's it. The travel credits will be applied. Once the travel credits have been applied, the total price will be updated to reflect the deduction. It will be updated here. Now, if your travel credits do not cover the full cost of the booking, the remaining balance will be displayed. Now, if there is a remaining balance after applying your travel credits, you will need to enter your credit card or other payment details to cover the difference. Now, fill in the required payment information and double check the amounts being charged here. And once everything is correct, go ahead and click on complete purchase to finalize the payment. After the payment is processed, you will see a confirmation page displaying your booking reference, flight details, and the total amounts paid, including the amount covered by travel credits. You'll also receive a confirmation email with all the details of your booking, including a summary of how your travel credits were applied. And that's it. You have now successfully used your Potter Airlines travel credits to book a flight. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.